everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be unboxing the BoxyCharm Luxe box. This is the box for the month of December if you are subscribed to or upgraded to the Luxie box. Of course, everybody got something a little different, but I wanted to kind of go over and unbox everything that I got and use some of the products. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started with, let's see here, what's going to be the first thing. Okay. This I was super excited about because these are some of my favorite brushes anyways. These are the Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. This retails for $65. So it has quite a few different things in there to use. So we will definitely be using these today. Let's see here, it's got a round top blender, a tapered highlighting, a pro precision, a tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. So that is nice, very nice. Alright, like I said, we'll go ahead and use those. One of the things that you, if you got to it soon enough, the email that they sent out to where you could actually pick something, I did pick the PYT mini hair straightener. This retails for $75, which is insane, but this is what it looks like. It is a tiny little straightener, so it's good for if you want to make some curls, that kind of thing. So I am excited to use that. I know my hair seems like there's no point in having a straightener, but this is actually after I've straightened it, because my hair is a little wavy and witchy poo, as I would like to call it. Let's see here. The next thing in the box is from Spongelle. This is a body wash infused buffer. I really like these because they have the stuff already in it. But this is what it looks like. It's in a star shaped. It has a bunch of like I said, it's got built-in body wash, so that way you don't have to worry about adding anything to it. You just place it under the water, squeeze to absorb, and massage in a circular motion. So it will also, I'm pretty sure, help with what's the word I'm looking for? Exfoliating. There we go. It sure will help with exfoliating. That retails for $20. Let's see here. The next thing in the box. This is an anti-wrinkle day cream. This is from Elemis. It's a Pro Collagen Marine cream. This is what it looks like. And this retails for $89. That is expensive face cream for sure. Let's see here. What else do we have? I want to get to something that I can actually use. So we'll get into this. This is the Violet Voss Pro HG palette. I don't know what the HG is. Oh, Holy Grail. So we'll go ahead and we will open this up, maybe. Alright. So, the Violet Voss Pro Holy Grail palette. This retails for $45. And it's got a nice mirror. But this is what it looks like. Some nice warm colors there. So we will go ahead and let's break out these brushes. Pretty sure these will be the two that I use. Alright, so so we're going to go ahead and we're going to start into the one calling transition. It's a perfect name for it because that's exactly what I'm going to use it for, is a transition shade. Alright, then the next color I'm going to jump into is this one here on the corner there called Hashtag. This is a nice kind of pumpkin looking color. We're going to jump into this one here at the bottom called Wine and Dine. And we're going to do that one a little lower in the crease. That's really pigmented. And then I think I'm going to use one here called On Fleek, and that's going to go all over the lid. That's really pretty. And I think we're going to use this one here called How You Doing as the inner corner. Actually a little dark, so we're going to add this floof here to brighten it up. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to go into transition, put that underneath. I'm going to go into that Hashtag and do the same thing. And then into the Wine and Dine. I'm going to do that right on the corner there. Okay, so that is the palette. Let's see here. I do want to use some of these other brushes that's in here. Precision Face, Tapered Highlighting, Round Top Blender. Alright, I do want to use this round top blender. I use that as a bronzer brush. That works very well. Let's go into the next thing in the box. This is from Wonder Beauty. This is, where's this at? Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. This retails for $26. And it also comes with a mirror, but this is what it looks like. So we're gonna use this Pro Precision Face for the blush, and I'm gonna go into Havana Nights. It's kind of a very pigmented. I barely put anything on the brush. And then I'm going to use the Tuscan Sunrise one here as my highlight. Okay. Ooh. Maybe not. That's really pigmented. We'll go into City Lights. We'll try that one. Okay. Then let's see here. What is the... Alright, so let's see here. The next thing in the box is a primer and mascara duo from Lorac, and this retails for $24. Weird, that primer is purple, or lilac I should say. Well, that's interesting because my mascara side is empty, so that sucks. I don't know what that's about. I'll have to message them on that. So I'll just go in with my Bad Girl Bang for mascara now that I've got primer on my eyelids. Or eyelashes. Alright. Okay, so let's see here. The next thing in the box is from Tarte, and this is the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. This is in the color Flaming Hot. This retails for $20. And this is what it looks like. Basically, it's kind of like a shimmering lip gloss. It's not very pigmented like I thought it would be. That's what it looks like. It is a pretty color, and it's got some like purpley pink iridescent glitter in it, which I'm not always a fan of glitter, so there's that. Let's see here. Now, it did come with this Glam AF makeup bag. That was one of the other things that came in there. And then the last thing was Crimes of Beauty wristlet. I don't know how it's wristlet, but it is a portable charger. This retails for $22. So let's see here. Trying to add it all up. So the overall value of this month's box for the Luxie box is $386. That is a huge chunk of money considering what you're paying for the. I think you're paying an extra $27 for the Boxy Luxe. So that's what, like $48 I think total is what you're paying for the box. So that's like a huge amount of money that you're getting for that little bit of money that you're spending on it. And it's not every month for the Boxy Luxe. I think it's like every 3 months that it comes out. So if you haven't upgraded yet, you might want to look into upgrading, because it is definitely well worth the money, as you can tell. So I want to thank you for watching. If you've not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will be reminded the next time I upload. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, thanks for watching, and you have a great day.